harassment case, please, I mean, and those people who are actually relating to it, please come up clean, guys. Come up clean, because there are people. I could say this. I will say this. There are people that are not aware that they are harassing other people.
Yes.
To understand, there are people that don't know much about sexual harassment. To understand, so I feel like making us talking about this will help them as well.
No, definitely.
To understand,
Definitely.
because they are our fellow sisters and brothers. Because harassment, it happened in both genders.
Yeah. It's amadoda, you might find that they are more harassed.
Yeah,
It's not that big.
yes, it's not
Yeah.
that big. You understand? So we just want to make it known and make create that awareness. Your good people, they should know, as in like, okay, sharp. Now I'm doing too much. Now it's a sexual harassment and all of that. Okay, we're coming to you, men of God. We're coming to you. We're coming to you. We're coming to you, men of
Futhi
God.
nje nami ukuthinta kancane yabo
Yeah.
kule yayo lento ka-Man of God.
Yeah.
I believe ukuthi each and every person ozithema as a man of God akube umuntu one-theology. Yeah, iba i-theologian. Yabo wazi ukuthi une-degree yayo lento le. Hayi ukuthi u-man of God nje uvekiswavuka, because abanye abantu umuntu aphuma ejele and then saba yi-man of God. Ayifundelanga lento le. Because ukuba i-theologian, you must also study the psychology of human beings. Yabo, khane uzokwazi ukudila ney'nkinga zabantu. Ngeke njalo uzoloku udila inkinga zabantu ukuthi uzothi hamba ufunda iBhayibheli.
Okay.
Uyamrefera kuphela awumncedi lo muntu lowo. So you must be a